What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of July 19th, 2024. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
My name is Clayton, and I am the VP here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
And this is a series where we go over the Friday newsletter, take a look at the fabric in person in our studio, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. To begin, we've got our Jammin Friday Bundle. This bundle features a bunch of blenders. It includes patterns such as chroma, rings, bubbles, scrolls, feathers, and bliss basics in a color palette of purple, violet, amethyst, lavender, and Mardi Gras. A lot of purples. So make sure you juice up your stash with our Jammin Friday Bundle.
If you're feline festive, we can pounce onto Kitty Christmas. So for Kitty Christmas, we do have yardage of the full collection. We have fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, 1 yard panels, and quilt kits. It's a great group, but we have lots of light Christmas colors such as holly, frost, mint, coral, and pink. And then the pattern design has a lot of kittens and stockings, poinsettias, toy boxes, and snowflakes, and some polka dots in there. So it's a really great looking Christmas group. So go ahead and check out Kitty Christmas.
Next for you guys, we've got a summer themed group called Summer Sunset Batiks from Anthology. This group features the full collection yardage and citrus circles quilt kits. This group features patterns such as florals, leaves, raindrops, a sort of square maze-looking print called Labyrinth. We have a bunch of bright colors such as red, magenta, orange, citrus, honey, coral, rainbow, rose, butter, mandarin, and black. So be sure to dive into Summer Sunset Batiks from Anthology.
Next up, I have Holiday Flourish Festive Finery from Robert Kaufman. That's a mouthful. We do have assorted yardage and fat quarter bundles with that collection. And this group does include quite a few gold metallic accents. So once again, it's a lot of being festive. It's got Christmas colors. So we have some candy cane colors, mint, cranberry, pine, crimson, and sage. Some of the patterns, again, including poinsettias, ornaments, sprigs, ribbons, and leaves. It's a great looking group. You have a good mixture of reds and lighter colored greens. So if you want to transform your project into a holiday masterpiece, check out Holiday Flourish Festive Finery by Robert Kaufman.
All right, next for you guys, we've got a group from Moda called Pine Valley. Once again, another holiday group. This group features the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, mini charm packs, jelly rolls, patterns, and lost mittens quilt kits. This group features things such as florals, berries, silver bells. We've got stripe leaves, mistletoes, church bells, and holly jolly, and colors of snow, berry, mistletoe, fog, crimson, and pine. Make sure to embrace winter's beauty with Pine Valley from Moda.
All right, so I have a sale to announce for y'all. It is Zest for Life Table Topper Quilt Kit. A lot of yellow, a lot of lemons, hence the zest. Original price on this was $79.96, and we have it on sale for y'all for $58.96. So go ahead and check that out while we have a few left in stock.
All right, we might have been doing a lot of holiday groups this video so far, but we actually have a spooky group for you guys. This is called Dreadful Delights from Robert Kaufman. We have the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, 5-inch squares, and the stacked strips table runner kits. We've got patterns of things such as spider webs, crows, skulls, florals, and alchemy bottles, and colors such as purple, orange, black, green, and tan. So don't be scared. Make sure you check out Dreadful Delights from Robert Kaufman.
Next, I have Yuletide Traditions from Northcott. This one is going to be a full collection. We do have 28-inch panel placemats, 43-inch tree skirt panels, 43-inch apron panels, and Winter's Presents quilt kits. Again, Christmas collection, we have reds, greens, and whites. This is going to be more on your traditional side. We do have patterns that include some holly, we have berries, we have pine, cardinals, and chickadees, and scrolls. So make your holidays elegant with Yuletide Traditions.
All right, second to last thing for you guys is the July bargains. This is a page on our site where we include sales for things such as remnants, kits, notions, and you know what? Who knows what else is on there? So make sure you check daily because we update daily.
All right, so now it is time for our comment of the week, where we pull a comment from over the course of the last week between our videos. So this can be from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This week we have chose Delmarie Snodgrass's comment on YouTube. She said, love seeing you guys. Thank you for getting us ready early for the holidays. Appreciate the comment, El Marie. And yes, we have been getting a ton of holiday fabrics in. As you can tell, this video has quite a few collections of that. Just wanted to say thank you for the comment and thank you for everyone supporting and watching our videos. You know what? We still have a few more holiday collections, so be on the lookout for those if you're looking forward to it. So thank you for watching.
Thank you guys so much for watching Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell to get notifications. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week. Make sure to follow us on social media. We have all those links down in the description. And with all that being said, we will see you guys next week for next week's episode. Bye, everybody.